Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to directly save your images from Google Chrome browser as a PDF file. I will show you live example. If you want to save any images directly to PDF file, just you need to open that image on new tab. Just right click on that image like this, and here you can get the option open link in new tab. Okay, so the image will open on your new tab. So after the image was open in your new tab, here in the top right side corner you can get three dots. Just click on it. From here you need to select print option. Okay, in the print option menu guys, here you need to select save as PDF like this and click on save, and select your file location where you want to save your file. I am selecting desktop. After this guys, just click on save. That's it. Now this image file will save as a PDF file on your PC. So this is the easy and very simple method to save any image on your Google Chrome browser as a PDF file on your Windows PC. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.